Homework number 1 for the dictionary. In the first problem, we would like to do some kind of a special mapping. You will read a string and convert it according to the following rules. If the letter is a lower letter, you will map any of the 26 characters to the corresponding 26 ones. For example, if the letter is A small, you map it to Y capital. If the letter is Z small, you map it to L character. This line has 26 letters, and this line has 26 letters. If it is a digit, you will map it from any digit from 0 to 9 according to this also 10 digits. Otherwise, don't change it. For example, if you have a string like A, C, blah, 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 the A will be converted to the Y, the C will be converted to the I, and so on. In the second problem, you will implement a function, define, sort different types. The function will be a list of different data types, and you will have to return a new list according to the following. For every data type, group and sort them from small to large. Within the data types itself, order them based on the order of the list. For example, if the int comes first, it will be first. You can assume that the provided list or tuples will be comparable. For example, here in this example, you will notice you have an integer here, integer here, integer here, integer here. All of them will be sorted, so they now are -4, 2, 5, 7, and 9. Observe after an integer data type, string data type come. So the second data type to appear in the list was a string. The third data type to appear in the input was a float. The fourth data type to appear is the list. This is what I mean within data types. Order them based on the order of the list itself. Whoever comes first as a data type, you sort it. So you can think of it, you have two orders here. You are ordering within the data type itself. I think I shouldn't call it here within. Within the data type itself, sort from small to large. Among the data types themselves, order them based on the order of the list based on the data type. For example, the int comes first, the string comes second, the float comes third, and so on. For example, if the list has integers 1, 5, 7, 3, then a string, then the integers must be sorted first, and the string must be sorted second. In this problem, we would like to read an integer n, then we'll read n lines of strings. We have a database which is a huge database. You then will read a line integer q. So here we first 5, then we read 5 strings, 5 lines. Then you read line 4 here, which is 4 queries. And for every query, you will get a string. List all the database strings that start with this query. Okay. For example, if the query is the word he, what are the lines that start with he? We have here hey and hello. The h only as a query. You have hey, hello, hi. The query most, you have two words, Mustafa Saad and Mustafa Ziad. The word most capital, this is never found. The order of the output here should be matching the order of the items here. Now, one can just go ahead and read the query and iterate over the list and check if the string starts with the string, and that's all. But this is very slow. For every query, you are iterating on all your database. You have to think in a smarter way to get this task done. Filter the duplicates. You will develop a function, filter duplicates, preserve order. In this function, you will take a list of integers, and you would like to remove all the lists that are that are duplicate, and you should preserve the input order. For example, if the input lists are 7, 1, 2, 4, 7, 1 again, 7, 1 is duplicate, remove it, 5, 2, 2, 4 is duplicate, remove it. So you return a new list of integers where any duplicate internal list is removed, and you will preserve the order. 7, 1 appeared before 2, 4 appeared before 5, 2. That's all.